Bakit bumabagal yung internet from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m.? Kasi nga, pag sinabi mong 6 p.m. to 11 is, yan yung tinatawag natin as a network engineer as rush hour or peak traffic hours. Kasi during that time of the day, maraming gumagamit ng mga connectivity nila. Kasi tapos na silang kumain ng hapunan, then they will log in their social media to online, browse videos, and play games. So, sa oras na yon, pag sinabi mo, pag tinitingnan namin yung network traffic is mataas talaga yung traffic that time. Kasi halos lahat ng household is gumagamit na sa internet. Kaya yun yung tinatawag natin na peak traffic. Okay? Pag mataas yung traffic, tapos yung capacity mo is isang tubo lang na ganito, tapos yung traffic mo is malaki, then hindi na kayang papasukin ng tubo yung lahat ng traffic. Kaya nagkakaroon na tayo ng tinatawag na congestion. Ibig sabihin, yung traffic is mas malaki kumpara sa dadaanan niya na tubo. So, dito na papasok yung network congestion. Bakit nga ba merong congestion? Kasi pag surge ng traffic tapos yung capacity mo is ganito lang. So, hindi mo naman mapapasok yan lahat, di ba? So, magsiksika na yan. So, dito na papasok ang QoS or Quality of Service. Depende sa traffic prioritization, then you will feel na mas mabagal na yung internet. Kaya naglo-load ulit. Kaya minsan nagre-resend. Kaya yun, putol-putol. Minsan mabagal nang mag-load yung video. Mabagal mag-browse. Kaya ganon talaga yung network congestion. Nangyayari yan kasi either mataas lang talaga yung demand, tapos yung capacity is andito lang, or meron talagang fiber cut or link failure nagkokos ng ganong issue or network problems. Okay? Pero as a designer sa network, pinoprovision talaga namin na mas malaki yung tubo kumpara sa traffic. Ideally. Pero in reality, meron talagang times na mas mataas yung traffic kumpara sa capacity dahil nga mahal rin yung pag-upgrade ng capacity. Pero sa mga internet service provider, wini-work out rin natin na mas hindi ma-feel ng customer yung network congestion. Kaya pag sinabing network congestion, mas malaki yung customer traffic kumpara sa provision capacity. The only way to solve this is mag-upgrade yung internet service provider ng kanilang bandwidth or yung capacity na link. Okay? In which sometimes medyo may challenge kasi yung cost, then kung gaano ba ka haba yung segment na i-upgrade. So for now, mas okay talaga sinosolve natin yung Kaya ginagawa ko lang is iniiwasan ko yung mag-browse during that 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. na period. Okay? Dito ka na lang kung kaya mong mag-browse dito early morning or late at night. Like 12 noon, 12 midnight, tsaka mas reliable ng internet natin. Kaya yun lang yung suggestion ko pag nararanasan nyo yung mabagal na internet between 6 p.m. hanggang 11 p.m. Kasi gumagamit lahat ng neighbors nyo, nakishare pa kayo ng bandwidth during that time. Okay? So maraming salamat and i-upgrade nyo yung movie or ISP natin always. Kaya the more request na natin sabihin, so paki-comment naman ano naman yung mga issue na na-encounter nyo dyan sa bahay nyo. Alright.